Hey, welcome to one and all to another episode of Limitless Leadership Podcast. Today, more than you all, I'm very excited to invite a very well-known, speaker. The moment when I know about him, he is multiple times TEDx speaker. I'm not going to tell much more things about him because today we are going to reveal his story only. But when I heard about him and when I went through his profile and all, I got something really amazing nuggets I got, and I'm more excited to learn with you all. And you stay tuned till the end, till the last second of this podcast, because this podcast has ability to transform you and change the way how you think. Sir, thank you so much for giving us your time. Thank you so much, sir. uh, Please introduce yourself. I have even not said your name only because I want you to talk about. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Please welcome.
Thank you so much, Suraj. You're doing great work.
Awesome.
Congratulations, Limitless Leadership Club. And as you shared about you, that you're working with so many lovely people, big brands, you started early. Same as my story.
Awesome. Great.
I
I'm
started
really excited
volunteering.
to know that, sir. Really excited to know. So my first question is for you. This only that before you becoming expert, who you were in your life?
मस्ती कर रहे थे. So
Achha.
I was a Chinmaya student.
Okay.
Chinmaya is a spiritual chain of schools. It has over 100 schools in India and West Indies.
Awesome.
It is run by a spiritual organization, Chinmaya Mission.
Mhm.
They have 300 centers talking about Gita, making life
Amazing.
beautiful. From the newborns to Balavihar to the toddlers to the teens, we call it chick, and then we have Devi groups and study groups. So my whole life has been into volunteering. I
Okay.
believe in the power of giving back, volunteering.
Mm,
It looks like हम कुछ कर रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं सोसाइटी को, but it pays back.
Yes.
भगवान को या प्रकृति को कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमसे. The world doesn't need anything from us. We are getting that privilege, honor to give back, and it is rewarding.
Mm.
So when I was in 9th standard, I started volunteering.
Okay.
Thought, wow, I'm teaching kids. Life was preparing me for bread and butter skills.
Okay.
I learned to organize camps, workshops, residential camps, picking students from railway station, welcoming teachers, etc. And I became
Awesome.
the youngest project head in Dr. Kiran Bedi's NGO without MSW at the age of 25. जो कि
Amazing.
मैंने देखा है कि 45 साल में 50 साल में बहुत सीनियर लोग होते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिसर्स ऑफ ग्रेट फाउंडेशंस.
Yes, sir.
So I was the youngest in the room always. So that
Amazing.
was one blessing, and people used to have MSW, Masters in Social Work. जैसे आपने टाटा का नाम लिया, so
Right.
TIS, Tata Institute
Yes.
of Social Sciences के बंदे प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिसर बनते हैं.
Right.
लेकिन मेरे पास कोई डिग्री नहीं थी. 12th
अच्छा.
standard I scored 96%. Did not go to college.
Mm.
So without a degree, formal social degree, I was in Dr. Kiran Bedi's NGO. What is the proof? Result of that volunteering.
Mm. Result of selflessly giving.
Yes. So I got those skills. I love children. So that's how my life unfolded.
Amazing.
From
amazing.
there, I thought, okay, I will start my business. I failed.
Okay.
Then suddenly I gave a statement. One day these schools will invite me as a chief guest. And
Okay.
schools started inviting me.
Mhm.
That is again power of volunteering and power of words. So dream big, think big, anything will come true. जो मुंह से
Well-
निकाल रहे हो वो सच होता है.
Right. Absolutely. Sir, just would like to pause and understand. Was there any moment which was a turning moment for you where you have came out and give this bold statement कि ये school मुझे invite करेंगे? Was there any specific event you want to mention?
Sure. You're very sharp. You're very good. You're
Yeah.
giving the best to the audience. तो हुआ क्या था? 2008, before joining Dr. Kiran Bedi's NGO, I was in Delhi and I was going school to tell that, hey, I'm pretty good.
Hmm.
I love children and I want to give life skills to students.
Okay.
Every child has a Dr. Kiran Bedi in her. Every girl has a Dr. Kiran Bedi in her. This is the email I was sending to thousands of residential and international schools. And to Delhi schools, I was going offline.
Hmm. Hmm.
अब जब मैं जाता था, security guard ही रोक देते क्योंकि too many
Right.
sales representatives, the book walas, the software walas.
Yes, yes.
So they said you cannot go inside. You can't even meet the receptionist. Or you
Right.
can't even get numbers.
Hmm.
We will pass it on.
Yes.
Same schools. When I joined Dr. Kiran Bedi, used to say, Sunny, क्या पियोगे? चाय,
अच्छा.
ठंडा. राजा की तरह वो respect
They used to treat, yes.
Yes. So वो दिन का हेरफेर है जैसे धुरंधर में वो डायलॉग था. किस्मत की सबसे अच्छी चीज है कि वो बदलती है.
Right, right. Awesome.
And,
Rightly said, sir.
Because I was not allowed to enter those schools, you know. ये कुछ इत्तेफाक है या जो भी है. Same schools, like two schools I vividly, very clearly remember. I was invited and given that kingly respect
Yes.
that I'm
Yes.
doing something great, working in slums with Dr. Kiran
Right.
Bedi. So many slum children. They used to invite us. They used to give opportunities to our children from the slums to be part of their summer camps.
Hmm.
So life changed completely.
Awesome, awesome. So amazing, sir. And you have worked with such great personalities, and you carry that all. I mean, legacy of learning it from so early age and becoming achieving so much at early stage. I would like to know, sir, some of your struggles which you have faced in your career, in your life, that has shaped you.
Yeah. So this was the biggest struggle point.
Mm-hmm.
That 12th standard, I scored 96%.
Okay.
I had scarcity mindset, lack mindset. I was the youngest brother, having 3 elder sisters. We
Okay.
were not going through great financial moments in our business. So I had to drop out, and I also thought मुझे ये सब की शादी करवानी है, मुझे घर के कर्जे उतारने हैं. I have to be a good son. So I thought I can't put burden on parents for college fees. No, this is Bevkufi.
Okay.
Struggle plus Bevkufi. How you are cursing your own life, how you are limiting yourself with lack mindset. Instead, if I had risen out and said, abundance, let's take a loan, I will study, I'll make it happen, matter of 3 years. So I had the percentage. But lack mindset will put you down. Lesson number 1. But those days made me special. I was riding a cycle, working hard. My dad had hardware business. So I used to travel in bus. So I became a stronger person.
Right.
I prepared myself for life. Then I became a teacher in Delhi in a finishing school. Fast forward, my boss was getting 50 lakhs from a school. My salary was 2.5 lakhs. And I thought, यार हम कमा के दे रहे हैं, मुझे कोई 5 लाख तो दे ही देगा. I left the job.
Okay.
So that was the phase when I started writing emails. Every girl has a Dr. Kiran Bedi in her. So now I have not met Dr. Kiran Bedi. I have not read about her. I am not a reader. I'm brought up in Coimbatore. I had no clue about her story, except I knew that she's a great, fearless lady. That's all. She is a superwoman police officer, the only one IPS officer who is famous.
Right.
World over.
Yes.
So that is why she was famous for me, and she was a role model for women. Now,
Amazing.
so I started writing those emails. Nobody invited me. My business did not take off. Nothing happened. उस वक्त रिश्ते भी आए और लड़का क्या करता है, लड़का क्या कमाता है, कुछ नहीं कमाता, घर बैठा है.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि उनको क्या पता कि वो कर रहा है काम, बिजनेस ट्राई कर रहा है, लैपटॉप पे बैठा है, ईमेल कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं. वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस हो गई. बट वो सब छोड़ो, बिजनेस नहीं चला. बट आई लैंडेड इन डॉक्टर किरण बेदीज एनजीओ.
क्या बात है. That was one of the achievements.
Yes, no effort goes waste. Power of manifestation, law of attraction, power of words. जैसे वो चीफ गेस्ट बने स्कूल में, वैसे यहाँ पे भी नाम जपा होगा ना मैंने, तो ऐसे नाम जपने वाले मोमेंट्स मेरे पास बहुत है. So this is one incident. I landed in Dr. Kiran Bedi's NGO. I did not know what would be my designation. I joined. Somebody said he's a coordinator because nobody had papers. After me joining, the papers came after 13 days. So when I got, it was project officer. Wow, very good. So that was one moment. One more moment I want to tell the power of words so that this lesson goes inside. We used to wish thousands of donors with a beautiful Chinmaya prayer. Janmadinamidam ay priya sakhe. It's a beautiful spiritual prayer for birthday. Same saint who had written this prayer, because I had sent to thousands of people and on LinkedIn also while networking, I wish people with that prayer. A saint who had written that song. When I left Navjyoti due to my dad's ill health, I came to Coimbatore in 2016. The saint sang for me in 2017. Now you connect the dots.
Right, absolutely.
How I use the prayer to wish everyone to spread smiles. And that great saint is singing on my birthday. And me being present, working in Chinmaya in those days.
Yes.
So life is always for a reason and for a good reason.
Yes.
For the best reason.
Amazing.
And there is power of words. There is power of repetition. There is power of consistency. So I think these struggles and movements, these life incidences has shaped me a lot.
Amazing. Superb, sir. And this experiences are really gold, sir. Gold. What I will say. This really experiences are really, I mean, your experiences are gold. Just one question pop up in my mind, sir. Was there any point of, that point of, stress or tension or high moment where you felt that I should give up on this journey? Was there any point like that? And if it was there, कैसे आपने overcome कैसे किया उसको? When things were not happening, when आपने जो mention किया कि relations नहीं हो पा रहे थे, क्या बताएंगे लड़का क्या कर रहा है, ठीक है? Was there any given point you felt कि यार मैं छोड़ देता हूँ ये सब, कुछ और जॉब ढूंढ लेता हूँ, या you never felt like that?
हाँ, वो simple था. I'll tell you, very beautiful incident. Same incident, like 2008 when I was very happy in my job, getting money. But then I thought, okay, let's try business.
Okay.
So I left that job, 2.5 lakhs. I said, 5 lakh to koi bhi de dega. I left and I tried in schools as business proposals, as business offers. I offered them my service. Nothing happened. Then I converted my email into a job. भाई नौकरी दे दो.
अच्छा.
30-40 में भी कर लूँगा. So my answer is don't give up.
Right.
And something is not working, switch. उसी वक्त मैंने email करनी शुरू की थी, and that's how I landed in Dr. Kiran Bedi's job.
Amazing.
So giving up is not the answer.
Right. You have shared both the part of your story, sir. I just would like to know what are some of the mindset shift you have made so that it landed it to Kiran Bedi's, this foundation. It happened that the same saintly figure has, sang for your birthday. So what were some of the mindset shift you have done in you? Now, when you look at you now and you feel this were the mindset which I did that time. What were those?
So, point is simple.
Yeah.
When we have too many choices, too much of luxuries, plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. Now, I was 24 when I left the job. And I told you I have 3 elder sisters.
Right.
One had got married.
Okay.
And the other 2 were not married. So, there was no choice. कि नहीं हो रहा तो छोड़ देते हैं.
Right.
So, a young boy at the age of 24 has no choice but to work. So, don't give up. No plan B.
Okay. So you have burn all the bridges. वापस जाने का चांस ही नहीं है.
करेक्ट,
अमेजिंग यस.
वापस नहीं जाना पास्ट में,
हाँ,
आज
हाँ.
में जीना है और सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड जीना है, अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढनी है,
ओके.
क्योंकि खुद मोटिवेटर रहे हैं. और सबसे बड़ा माइंडसेट शिफ्ट और ब्लेसिंग ग्रेस बोलो, वो मुझे थ्रू आउट लाइफ आज भी हेल्प कर रहा है, वो है सत्संग, spirituality, connection with the source.
Yes.
So that mindset shift, if you don't have a pillar, a selfless support, क्योंकि दोस्त छोड़ देगा एक टाइम पे, टाइम नहीं दे पाएगा, genuinely नहीं दे पाएगा, भाई उसकी शादी हो गई, उसके बच्चे हो गए, etc. But you should have one pillar of support, a great mentor who is not giving up on you. So I was blessed with a lot of mentors. Surrender to the mentor. My brain design is such that I go to mentors when I need expert advice.
Okay.
So that's outer support which I am blessed with. And spirituality is the only answer I have for any struggle anybody is going through.
Amazing.
Right now, my job is knowing your brain design. So today I can definitely say one mindset mantra is know your brain design.
Know your brain.
Yeah, because I am
Amazing.
different, you are different. I am
Amazing.
unplanned.
Yes,
चल यार करते हैं, खत्म कर ये
Right.
पॉडकास्ट, तो आज ही
Yes,
कर ले,
absolutely.
स्पीड कर ले.
Absolutely.
And there are people who will say they'll be very planned, methodical. No, I have to check my calendar. तो आपने भी स्वीकार किया. But all people are not like that. So money
Yes,
loves speed, universe loves speed. सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है और वो कई लोग ही कर पाते हैं. बाकी लोग,
Yes,
मैं
sir.
अभी भी
Very few.
पॉडकास्ट से निकला हूँ, उन्होंने बोला no, I'm planned, I'm methodical, I should have an idea what I'm getting into. So know your brain design and play fully on it. That will give you success. Know your personality, that will give you fulfillment.
Right.
अब एनजीओ में मैं गोल्डन इरा ऑफ माय लाइफ बोलता हूँ. मुझे बच्चे अच्छे लगते हैं,
Right.
सबको नहीं लगते. आप बड़ों के साथ काम कर रहे हो, टाटा
Yes.
एंड यू नो CID एंड पुलिस. So I'm made for children. So I've spent a lot of years, going to classes, take away that math stress, 10th standard stress, board exam stress. So
Right,
I am that
absolutely.
prem class for them.
And we can see that jolliness in you, sir. Your aura speaks like that, it is speaking through whatever you are speaking. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely amazing. Just bring me to one other question, sir. What do you think? What is the role of a mentor in your life?
No life.
Spiritual master, being your, any master. I mean,
No mentor, no life.
Amazing.
No
Okay.
mentor, no joy. No mentor, no light. No mentor, no happiness, no success. So ये था
Amazing.
NO वाला नो. इसको अब KNOW बना दो. No mentor, no happiness. No mentor, no direction. No mentor and you rise to next level. क्योंकि आपका नॉलेज इतना है. मेंटर यहाँ पे है और वो बर्ड आई व्यू देख रहे हैं. आप ग्राउंड फ्लोर या बेसमेंट में हो, मेंटर टॉप फ्लोर में है, तो उनका व्यू कितना ग्रेट होगा, तो वो हर मुश्किल से आपको निकाल लेगा.
Amazing.
Mentor
Amazing.
is the most important. Mentor is the torchlight. Mentor is the lamp. Mentor के बिना life not possible.
Awesome.
और ये चला आ रहा है गुरुकुल के टाइम से. तो ये नया नहीं है कि हाँ माइंडसेट
Absolutely,
कोच,
sir.
लाइफ कोच, हेल्थ कोच.
अभी बस नए फॉर्म में देख रहे हैं हम इसको.
Exactly.
The basic remains the same. Huh?
Yes.
Awesome. You have established so strongly the importance of mentor, and I'm sure you yourself is mentoring many lives, and all of them are getting transformation. Sir, इसके पीछे के what are your some of habits? I would like to know some of your 3 practical habits which you do every single day. क्या
I
है?
live whole brain living.
Okay.
हाँ, मेरे को भगवान ने एक गिफ्ट दिया कि मैं ब्रेन पढ़ सकता हूँ, ब्रेन
क्या बात?
पैटर्न्स पढ़ सकता हूँ कि मम्मी के पेट में बिटवीन 10th to 24th वीक वो ब्रेन कैसे फॉर्म हुआ, प्लस उसमें क्या कोडिंग हुई. So this led me to what is Suraj made me.
Right.
Even if I give you 1 crore and tell you become a preschool teacher, I will give you 1 crore every day. Still, you would
Okay.
not, because there should be a nurturing mother inside.
Right.
There should be that softness, love. वो रूल नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें कि वो बच्चा बोले आफ्टर इंटरवेल, आफ्टर द ब्रेक, आई एम सो ओ ले 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 चलो 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 चलो। तो वो प्ले स्कूल प्री स्कूल की ब्रेन अलग होती है।
Right.
आई एम गिविंग यू 1 crore बट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग द डील because you're performing at the right chair, which what suits you, what brings out Suraj ka best. So this is habit number 1.
Okay.
Whatever your brain design, follow your brain design.
Amazing.
Second habit, contradict करेंगे हम यहाँ पे. Don't stay there. Come
Okay.
balance.
Interesting.
Top three strengths will give you a lot of money, success, ease. काम नहीं लगेगा. जैसे आपको मेरे साथ लग रहा है. पॉडकास्ट करना है, कर ले भाई. 15 सवाल पूछने हैं, पूछ ले भाई. So I love talking. And I love this
Yes.
live energy. अगर आप कैमरा बंद कर दो, अकेले बोलना हो मुझे, पागल हो जाऊंगा मैं. मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि मैं क्या बोलूं. ऑर्डर नहीं पता चलेगा. Because I'm a random brain. I'm intuitive.
Yeah.
I'm not a prepared brain कि हाँ ये बोल रहा है और याद भी नहीं रहेगा मुझे. Right? So it feels like breathing, talking to you. I don't know the questions, what is coming. I'm enjoying.
Yes. Amazing.
ये मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है. इससे पैसे कमाऊंगा मैं. इससे सक्सेस मिलेगी. दिस इज पोटेंशियल गिविंग सक्सेस. अगला है पर्सनैलिटी गिविंग फुलफिलमेंट बिकॉज आई लव यू एज अ पर्सन. आई लव पीपल. I love serving whoever is getting touch with this podcast. I'm happy. Third is like what you are ignoring, the uncomfortable area. जो preschool offer किया है, that is going to nurture your brain to feminine side, to right brain, to relationship, to emotions, to keep aside your psychology logic. नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे हमें.
Right.
So different brain lobes getting electricity.
Yes.
So that is why movement became a therapy. Dance became a therapy. Music became a therapy. तो वो थेरेपी कुछ नहीं है. Whole brain living जिसने नहीं किया है, वो अभी ये सब ट्राई मार रहा है.
Right.
So if you
And
go to my
they are
link-
feeling that movement of that breakthrough कि यही है वो.
हाँ.
It is just that they have never lived with their brain for a second.
You
Amazing.
said it bang on. Breakthrough. उनको लग रहा है breakthrough. भाई बचपन में गुरुकुल में सब कुछ होता था. खाना भी खुद बनाएंगे, सर्व भी कर रहे हैं, तो बॉडी मूवमेंट भी हो रही है, गार्डनिंग भी हो रही है, भजन भी गाते थे वो. तो
Yes.
फाइन मोटर स्किल्स, ग्रॉस मोटर स्किल्स, ऑडिटरी, मंत्रा चैंटिंग, ऑडिटरी. मान लो कई लोग
Everything
कम
was
बोलते हैं, आप और मैं बोलते हैं. तो
Yes.
हम दोनों के लिए थेरेपी है मेडिटेशन.
Right.
मुंह नहीं खोलो, चुप रहो, मौन व्रत. So that is a therapy. And I draw these days. So fine motor skills. And I'm thinking what to draw. How do I represent this podcast into a visual lobe? So visual lobe is getting activated. If I start coloring also, color therapy, art therapy. So whole brain living is the only habit. Plus सत्संग जरूरी है.
Yes.
मैं बोलता हूँ फिजिकल सत्संग जाओ, वहां पे सारी थेरेपी हो रही है. बिकॉज देयर इज गुरु, लाइफ गुरु, कनेक्शन, इमोशंस, नॉट जस्ट ज्ञान. सो भक्ति एंड ज्ञान एंड सेवा.
These are really powerful words, and many people are even not understanding the importance of this. But this cannot be replaced by, any tool or any machineries or nothing. I always believe that. जो energy, जो presence, जो connection हमें मिलेगा ना, that is something really, really amazing. And that brings me, sir, another question that what was this question I always ask everyone. You have shared about so many things, about this whole brain and all that. I want to know a limitless moment in your life. What do I mean by limitless moment is this, where you felt कि पता नहीं ये होगा या नहीं, but it has happened. So wherever you thought to a limit and this thing has crossed your limit, I mean, was there any? I mean, there. I'm sure there will be so many because you belongs to spirituality and seva and all of this. But I would like to know one or two limitless moment in your life. What
Sure.
are those? Yes,
Sure. So as I shared, 12th standard के बाद या 12th तक हम scarcity में जिए हैं.
Hmm.
तो lack mindset, scarcity mindset
Right.
होती नहीं है scarcity, लेकिन हम सोचते हैं कि यार नहीं हमें नहीं खर्चा करना. I should not spend. I should not be a burden. I'm not asking the infinite Lord for everything.
Hmm.
So I was going to buy the highest, costliest course of my life for 2.5 lakhs.
Okay.
So there was fear.
Mhm.
2.5 lakhs. What if we lose the money? What if it doesn't work?
And this was which year, sir?
2023.
Okay. Yes.
So 2023 मतलब मैं 39 years थोड़ा लैक में ही जिया हूँ. मैनिफेस्ट किया है, लेकिन वो फ्री में किया है.
Hmm.
भगवान ने झोली में डाल दी.
Hmm.
तो 2023 में ये कोर्स 2.5 lakhs का लेना था.
Okay.
तो हम डर रहे. हम बोल रहे हैं मेंटर को लिटरली, मैम संभाल लेना, आपके भरोसे आ रहे हैं.
Hmm.
And that course gave us return to at least 30x or 33x.
Amazing.
Yes. So that was a period when high ticket was at boom. I would say 2019 was a period where $5,000 के courses normal थे
Right.
online.
Right.
तो
Yes.
2023 थोड़ा लेट हो गया, लेकिन वहां पे भी रिटर्न्स हमें मिले.
Right.
So that is a super limitless moment. I want everyone to know that
Hmm.
anything is possible.
Amazing.
Surrender, trust,
Hmm.
and work hard. Don't give up.
Amazing.
Plus ये मैजिक जो 33x मैंने बोला, ये years of relationship building है, years of branding है, years of visibility है. जैसे आपने मेरे को अप्रोच किया, So would you like to come on our podcast? तो ऐसे थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड वर्क होता है. तो किसी की भी सक्सेस जो दिख रही है, किसी का भी जो लिमिटलेस मोमेंट दिख रहा है, वो उस वक्त का नहीं है.
Amazing. Yes, sir.
वो इयर्स ऑफ मेहनत है. तो वो मुझे लगता है करते रहना चाहिए.
Amazing, amazing, superb, superb. And you are giving so many nuggets, sir, with such a short span of time. For me, also, it is taking time to sink in. Hey, guys, whoever is watching till this point, I request you to watch this podcast again and again and again. Believe me, it takes time to sink in. Okay, if you are from this field and you know all these terminologies, then you will get along really well. But I invite you all to take time to listen again and again and again. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching till this time. Sir, what are some of your offerings which you are offering right now?
Right now, I invite people to know themselves.
Mm-hmm.
So my mission is very simple.
Yes, please.
Nobody should live in scarcity.
Mhm.
Nobody should live in ignorance. अब ये scarcity ignorance कहाँ से आ रहा है? Very simple. I don't love myself because I don't know myself.
Mm.
जो हमने बोला कि सूरज भाई आप और मैं चपड़ चपड़ वाले हैं, चलो काम करते हैं. टाटा जाना है, चलो. यहाँ जाना है, चलो. We will deliver. Right? But people don't know that ये भी एक strength है, planning भी एक strength है.
Mm.
And if you're a कंजूस, ये भी एक strength है, super power है.
Mm.
If you're too bothered about small digits and small money, we need leaders like you for that sharp accuracy. Because you're a psychologist, you know these behavior traits which are useful. An ICU doctor, he has to give you medicine. He can't just play कि 500
Right.
mg ठोक दो. नहीं, 1 ml ठोकेंगे,
Yes.
1 mg ठोकेंगे, इंजेक्शन एक्सेट्रा. आपने बोला सर छुट्टी कर दो, आईसीयू डॉक्टर बोलेगा नहीं थामा, ये बीपी ना अभी 0.4 कम हो जाएगा ना, तब जाने देंगे. फिर हम ना रूम में शिफ्ट करेंगे, देखेंगे कि पेशेंट कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करे. सो यू टेक एनी ट्रेट लाइक दिस जिससे आप परेशान हो, आई विल टेल यू, यू आर द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पर्सन ऑन द प्लैनेट. फिर जब हीलिंग की बारी आएगी तो हम बोलेंगे सूरज से दोस्ती करो, चलो फरारी में बैठो, चलो ये पैटर्न ब्रेक करो, क्योंकि खुशी भी चाहिए और सक्सेस भी चाहिए। पुराने पैटर्न में जियोगे तो सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगी। तो नोइंग योर ब्रेन पैटर्न्स पीपल कम टू मी, नोइंग योर चिल्ड्रंस ब्रेन पैटर्न्स पीपल कम टू मी, नोइंग योर स्पाउस का ब्रेन पैटर्न पीपल कम टू मी। And when you come to know there is shanti and success and money, because you are no more stressed all your life, यार मुझे सूरज को बदलना है, मुझे अपने पति को बदलना है, बच्चा नहीं सुधर रहा, नहीं, बच्चे को आपने राजा की तरह देखा नहीं, बच्चे को आपने लीडर की तरह नहीं देखा। So I want you to know your brain design. This is my mission. That is my offering. Second, if you can build on your business skills, influence skills, ये जन्म सुधर जाए, ये जन्म में कुछ दे के जाए, legacy level programs, they work one-to-one with me.
Amazing.
And I have a very good business partner, Nitika Dadwani.
Okay.
She is a great healer.
Amazing.
Brain की बातें जितनी भी की हैं, सब healing से related है.
Yes, absolutely.
So I want everyone to heal. She calls it very beautifully, emotional freedom and financial freedom.
Acha, amazing.
Yes.
It's very important.
So she can be your next guest.
Yeah, for sure. I would love to, please you connect her with me. I would love to know. So if someone wants to get your services, how he can get in touch with you?
I am available everywhere. I am omnipresent at Brain Coach Sunny.
Okay.
@Brain Coach Sunny. आप गूगल करोगे तो दिख जाऊंगा, फेसबुक पे जाओगे तो सेम हैशटैग है, और लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, and then everywhere. Substack, and I'm pretty active on it. All the DMs, messages.
Sure,
and
sir.
You can share my number as well.
Yeah, I invite you to give us all your links. I will ask my team to put it in the description box. And you all guys, if you are watching till this point, there is link below. You can directly go to Sunny sir's handles and get in touch with him. Okay, I am inviting you to get in touch with him directly. Okay, you will see a real transformation in your life. We are going to give all the links below. Sir, that brings me to another question. When you are sharing about so much of transformation, what are your core strength you believe that has helped you to transform people?
I was born on 2/2/1984. Now you know my age. So
1984, awesome.
numerology says 2 is intuitive.
Okay.
I am 2/2. Double 2.
Double.
February. So I am double intuitive.
Yes.
So I am double powerful in terms of intuition.
Amazing.
Knowing what is your need. Like I gave the nursery example to you.
Right.
We are meeting for the first time. So there's some higher power that speaks through us.
Amazing.
वो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, वो कुछ channeled होता है. So any conversation that we do is going to give you a breakthrough.
Amazing.
I'll extend this point as human design में एक mirror personality होता है. Reflector बोलते हैं उसको. So I'm amplifying what lovely personality you are.
Amazing.
But उसमें दाग भी दिखेंगे, तो वो दाग ठीक भी करने हैं, तो मैं वो ठीक भी कर सकता हूँ. I've been into NLP as a trainer from American Board of NLP. So there are levels: practitioner, master practitioner, trainer, and there is thousands of hours that has gone behind each learning and practice.
Absolutely, sir. I believe this.
That makes it really nice. That is my number one strength. Brain decoding. Number 2, my communication. I have written 4 books. Writing is not a problem. Anybody can write. But making it simple. So all my students tell me that अगर ये एग्जाम से पहले मिला होता, अगर ये मुझे ब्रेन डिजाइन क्लास से पहले मिला होता, तो मेरा स्ट्रगल कम हो जाता. So making it simple, making it easy. क्योंकि फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग्स में सब डिफिकल्ट दिखाते हैं या नहीं समझ आता है, क्योंकि ग्रुप क्लास में मैं अकेला महसूस कर रहा होता हूँ. So one-to-one में when I amplify your magic
Mm.
and when I teach you in your style, then it becomes easy. Then you become an easy, breezy genius.
Yes.
Because God is not partial. Number 3, networking.
Okay.
I love reaching out to people on my own.
Mm.
Like how you reached out.
Right.
I also love to reach out to you.
Amazing.
So when you reach out, you get a chance to serve.
Yes.
So networking, branding, business building without paid ads. So that is also my superpower. Fourth one is spiritual values.
Mm.
Being very caring. So I'm a water personality. 2 February is water, moon. So water is extremely caring and flexible. They will even
Yes.
put others before us. So
Right.
if you can be there for someone while protecting your energy, I think that is जो law of attraction, law of abundance बोलता है, give to receive,
Yes.
because life is an echo, law of echo.
Right.
What you
Absolutely.
give is what you receive.
Absolutely.
To get blessings, be a blessing.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So I just would like to repeat for all our viewers that you have talked about, showing a mirror and even with the transparency, and if there are a few dots into it, you are ready to heal them. Then you have talked about, serving, and you have talked about networking. Okay. So all those aspects, and throughout your life, whatever you have shared, this has been really transforming journey to know to myself also, and to know all of our audience also. I just want to know, sir, what were some of the mistakes that you think new age coaches or early age coaches are making today? You have lived
Copying
that, you have
others.
scaled it. Yes.
Copying others.
Okay.
They're not
Copying
aware
others.
of
Straightforward. Yeah.
They are not aware of themselves.
Yes.
They are
Superb.
sitting in group coaching, not
Mhm.
knowing who they are.
Yes.
Start with one-to-one. Know yourself.
Right.
And certificate, मैं भी लटका सकता हूँ सारे international certificates, but that is not equal to transformation.
Right.
क्लासरूम में 4 दिन नाच के आना is not healing, क्योंकि 4 दिन बाद आपको अपने ब्रेन डिजाइन में ही रहना है. So वो खुशी, वो आंसू, वो परमानेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, वो एक मेंटर के साथ आता है.
Yes, and you have rightly said it, sir. In my community, there are people from UK, US, France, Germany, and believe me, they have spent more than 25 lakh rupees on different kinds of certifications and all of that. And then they come to me and I ask them a single question, and they ask me a question. Sir, you are a psychologist. Please tell us. We took all the courses from all big coaches. Why it is not happening? And why I'm sharing this with you, because the reason is this: what you are validating here. I always talk about no outer certification or no framework is going to help you until and unless you know yourself better. Because if you don't know what is holding you back, what are your limits and what are your patterns, no other framework, this thing can help you out to do that. And rightly you have said this, and this can be only and only done through the mentorship. I strongly believe this.
And
Strongly
wear
believe
your
this.
size dress. No,
Yes.
you can't wear anybody.
Amazing example, sir.
All community and courses are their size dress. It is working,
Yes.
but if they are selling clothes,
Yes.
then tailor it to yourself. You still need one-to-one coaching, not the bheed coaching.
Yes. Yes. Amazing. So awesome, sir. And please, all the new coaches, those who are watching this, I'm sure there are many coaches who will be watching this podcast. Take this point in mind. Don't copy, and be yourself. And if you want to get in touch with yourself, get in touch with Sally, sir. There can be no other person to help you out, right? Awesome, sir. Thank you so much. What I want you to give is after this, I'm going to ask you a few small questions that in our rapid fire round. But before that, one last question, sir. What would be one advice you want to give to all our viewers. One advice.
Look happy and be happy. Look happy is in the smile. Be happy is in the heart. So love yourself. उसके बिना कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ये happy बाहर का नहीं तो प्लास्टिक रह जाएगा.
Amazing. Short, straightforward to the point. Amazing, sir. Superb. So let's start a rapid fire round, sir. कुछ बहुत simple सवाल है. I want you to answer in one word. Okay. I know you will speak a lot, but I want one word now. Okay. So what success means to you?
Fulfillment.
One habit that you can't live without.
These days, drawing.
The biggest strength of you.
Communication.
One book you want to recommend to
I'll
all
just
of us?
correct this. I can decode brain better than communicate because my partner does better communication.
Okay, I'll ask her then that. Amazing. One book you want to recommend?
My book, No Self Love, Self Celebrate Self.
No self-love. Please mention the name so
Sure.
that even give the link.
Yes.
Yes. Fear or faith?
Faith.
Money or impact?
Both.
One word for your journey you want to say. One word.
Bliss.
Bless. Amazing, amazing. Awesome, sir. Thank you so much for giving such a time to us and enlighten us with your huge experience and the way of jolliness and the way you presented everything in front of us. I'm sure whoever is watching this podcast and whenever they are watching, they are going to get something really amazing. I'm damn sure your energy is going to transform because I could able to sense here, and I believe that each of our audience will feel that. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here. And guys, see you in the another episode of Limitless Podcast. Thank you so much. Thank you.